Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you some chords in the key of C sharp from the 1 to the 7. Then I'll show you a simple chord and a PHAT chord. This was a request by Augustine, so shout out to Augustine. Alright, so in the key of C sharp, so it's a quick tutorial. I'll be giving you a simple chord for sake of beginners, then I'll also show you a PHAT chord. So we'll start with the 1. So first thing you want to do for the 1, you want to play something like this. This is a normal C sharp major chord. It's a normal chord. That is the 1, the 5, and the 1. Your right hand plays 3, 5. You can throw in the upper 1. So it sounds like this, depending on the melody of the song. Now let's fatten this chord up. We want to add some extra notes, and we want to make this chord a major 13 chord. Since the 1 chord is always a major chord, so we're going to play a major 13 chord, and it will sound like this. Now this is what I did. This is the 1, C sharp, this is G sharp, C, my right hand, F sharp, B flat, D flat, C sharp major 13. So whenever you want to go to the 1, you can play this chord. Aside this chord, there's also a major 9. So you can play a 7. This is a C major 7. This on its own is a C major 7. So we are omitting this E, putting it here. So we can add this. You can still add the 1 chord on top. It's a C major 7. So if you add the F and the F sharp and the B flat, we get a 13 chord. Alright, let's move up to the next chord, which is the E flat chord. So a regular E flat chord will sound like this. The E flat chord, it's supposed to be a minor chord. So it will sound like this. So a beginner can play this. Can either play this or change the inversion to this. So this is the E flat, B flat, E flat. The right hand, G flat or F sharp, B flat, E flat. This is a regular E flat minor chord. So let's fatten that up. It will sound like this. This is E flat minor 11. So whenever you're going to the 2, you can use this chord. From the 1 to the 2. Now let's go to the 3. The 3 chord, or the third, is supposed to be a minor chord as well. You can play this. See, when I added this, it became a 7 chord, a minor 7 chord. But I want to remove it for sake of beginner, so it sounds like this. Hi, you can manage this. Yeah. So E, G flat, A flat, C, F here, F, A flat, D flat. Now let's fatten that up. I already gave a tutorial on this particular E using a dominant 7, sharp 9, sharp 5. So we are going to be playing that chord and it will sound like this. See? So replace your 3 chord with this chord. This is the chord F. This is A and E flat on my left hand. My right hand, I play a major C, a C sharp major chord, inverted. So when you add everything, it sounds like this. Let's go to the 4. The 4 chord is a very common chord. So the 4 chord can be played like this. It's a regular F sharp major chord. Please try as much as possible to voice your chord in such a way the melody of the song is on top of the chord. So this is a regular chord, F sharp. This is C sharp, F sharp, my left hand, my right hand, A sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Okay, let's fatten that chord up. We're going to play a major 13, F sharp major 13. So it's going to sound like this. Okay. This is an E flat minor 11 over F sharp. You can either do this or you do this. If I add the F, it becomes a 9. So I want to omit that F and play the E flat instead. So it will be an E flat minor 11 over the F sharp. So it's F sharp, D flat, F, right hand, P flat, D flat, E flat, and A flat. So you can either play this or you play this. Depends on the melody of the song. Now let's go to the G sharp, or the 5. A regular 5 will sound like this. As a beginner, if you can't add this middle notes, you can play just octaves. Sounds better than playing just one note like this. So you can play octaves. If you can add this, fine. So this is a G sharp, E flat, G sharp, right hand, C, E flat, G sharp. Now let's raise that chord up a little bit. So okay, you can use this. Yeah, prefer this. So that's 1/5. So this is my left hand. G sharp, E flat, F sharp. Right hand, C, E flat, F, G sharp. This is like some kind of A flat 6/7. You can raise this A flat note to the, make it an A flat 13. Sometimes it's going to sound very dissonant from your music, so you might want to keep it kind of simple. So you can do something like this. You can do something like this. Just make sure you play this note. Alright, moving on to the sixth chord. Sixth chord. Six is gonna sound like this. Or simple 6. So this is a B flat, F, B flat, right hand, D flat, F, B flat. So let's raise that chord up. Let's fatten it up a little. We're going to play a 6th minor 11. So it's going to sound like this. Yeah. You can either play it like this or you play it like this. So left hand is holding this B flat minor chord, B flat, D flat, F. Then the right hand is playing A flat major chord. So A flat major chord on my right hand, B flat minor chord on my left. Put it together, get something like this. You get a B flat minor 11. This inversion or this inversion. Okay, let's go to the last chord, which is the 7. The 7, most time we play the 7 over the A flat major, like this. This is the 7, C, C, right hand, E flat, A flat, C. That's the 7, but we are going to change that 7 to something else. Yep, you can play this. Or you play this. So let's see that chord. This is the 7, this is the flat 5, this is C, G, B flat, my right hand, E flat, A flat. So I'm flicking between these two notes. So A flat, B flat, then E flat. That's my 7th chord. Then we'll go back to the 1. These are C major 9. Alright, so thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to drop your comments. If you have any requests, any video you want me to do, drop it in the comment box. Then don't forget to subscribe below. Click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I post new videos. Thanks. You can share this video with your friends on your social media. Thank you and God bless you.